I and a group of young people visited Prey Lang in Ruosran commune, Rovieng district, Pria Vihir province. In this study tour, our team saw the most serious deforestation. Most of the deforestation is of cram, klitsch, teal, sroleo, and some other valuable species. Most logging has a diameter of 50 centimeters. The average diameter is between 50 and 80 centimeters and the maximum diameter is up to 210 centimeters. The current situation in Prey Lang can be said to be the last stage. Because the deforestation was not prevented or cracked down by the relevant authorities or officials. Finally, I would like to call on the relevant officials or authorities to help crack down and prevent, especially to catch the crime immediately to prevent and protect our forest to survive. I hope that the royal government and relevant officials will reconsider protecting and preserving our forests as much as ever.